Submitting a real sitemap inside Search Console gives Google a genuine, direct list of pages instead of relying purely on discovery. In this video you'll submit one and watch it get processed. This real menu item genuinely opens the form where an actual sitemap URL gets submitted. This real, relative path genuinely tells Search Console exactly which file on the actual domain to fetch. This real status genuinely confirms Google actually fetched and passed the sitemap successfully. Submitting a real sitemap gives Google a direct list of pages. The submitted path is real and relative to the actual domain. A success status genuinely confirms Google passed it correctly. Submit your real sitemap URL in Search Console and check its status tomorrow. Ready to see exactly how many real people are actually finding the site through search?